Are you feeling stuck with your YouTube channel, struggling to break the 1,000 subscriber barrier? You're not alone, and today, we're diving into the common pitfalls many creators face and how to overcome them effectively. It's time to stop guessing and start strategizing for success. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. On this channel, I teach people how to make money and strategies that has worked for me. First, let's address the importance of the hook. Within the first 10 seconds, viewers decide if they will stick around or scroll away. Start your videos with a powerful statement or engaging question that sparks curiosity. Instead of a standard introduction, say something like, "Want to discover the secrets behind skyrocketing your channel's views? Let's unlock that potential right now." This approach grabs attention and sets the tone for valuable content right away. Next, consider your thumbnails and titles. Even the most brilliant content can go unnoticed if not presented appealingly. A strong title can ignite curiosity, while an eye-catching thumbnail serves as a visual invitation. For instance, instead of bland titles like Vlog 30, try something direct and provocative like 10 mistakes killing your YouTube growth, accompanied by a striking thumbnail that uses bold colors and minimal text. Make sure it speaks to the emotions of your audience and indicates exactly what they'll gain by clicking. Finally, let's talk about consistency. YouTube thrives on regularity. Creating a reliable posting schedule fosters anticipation among your viewers. If your uploads are sporadic, audiences may lose interest quickly. Commit to a steady pace, be it weekly or bi-weekly. Your audience will learn when to expect new content, establishing a stronger connection over time. The more consistent you are, the greater your likelihood of getting recommended by YouTube's algorithm. Now, here's a challenge for you. Audit your last 3 videos. Examine the hooks, titles, and thumbnails. Identify where you can improve. This practice can lay the groundwork for transformative change. Adjust that one weak element and watch your engagement metrics rise. Remember, YouTube growth resembles a marathon, requiring persistence, vigilance, and strategic tweaks. Stick around as we will continue to share actionable tips that can help you overcome barriers and expedite your growth. Stay proactive in your journey, and you'll be amazed at the results you can achieve. Bye guys, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips like this. See you in my next one.